Alright, welcome back to my channel. This video is going over a recap on the video I posted yesterday on the 28th of June. Today is June 29th. It is 12:24 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be going over the video I uploaded yesterday in regards to the analysis I went over. This video will not be edited, so you will hear me pause in between sentences so that I can get my thoughts across. Okay, so yesterday's video, we gave an analysis that Bitcoin will be going up to this green trend line or this white line, and then ultimate short would be at this orange line where it says short. Today's video is going to be going over an analysis that will cover and give a better probability of us reaching that target. Now, what we see here forming is a head and shoulders. It's a head and shoulders that's hard to see and, to the naked eye, but it's a bottom head and shoulders. So here you have a shoulder, you have the head, and now you have here a shoulder forming here. Okay, now this shoulder is most likely going to form by June 30th. So by tomorrow, June 30th or the 31st. I don't know if there's a 31st in the month of June or if it's probably going to be July 1st. Either or, by the time it hits 30th or the 31st, that's when we will kind of see the entire shoulder form. Once the entire shoulder forms, we will wait for it to break the neckline. Now the neckline would be right over here if we were to predict the neckline of it forming. So you guys see that? You guys see the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, and this is the neckline. Now when you measure from the neckline, from the middle down to the bottom of the head, and you move it over, so by the time we'll break would be on the 30th, let's say around 5 p.m. or whatever, it reaches up to that white line that I went over in my previous video yesterday. That confirms this white line target of where Bitcoin would head as the top, which would be $118,230. So that confirms the probability of that happening. Now let me just clear this out so you guys can better see this. Okay, now yesterday I kind of went over the chart here of previous data showing it form again. I'm going to kind of go over that better here. When we do chart pattern here and we see when price broke out beyond the trend line, use it as support, but once it hit the top of the trend line, okay, this is how it ended up. So that's it. Now if we go over here and we put it on the bottom, that'll show us hitting the top of the orange line here where it says short. That's not how I got this target. I'm not going to show how I got that target, but this is just another probability of our prediction getting correct. Another one is right here. So once we go from the bottom of this rally to the top of the rally, we're at the bottom of the rally right here. Now the top of the rally would show this white line. Targets of where Bitcoin is headed. Obviously, you guys see this trend line right here of price making higher lows, whatever they call it. Okay, you can see here that this could be used as resistance. That is definitely a probability of happening. But moral of the outcome is resistance would be this white line, and ultimate target would be this one right here of price reaching to. If price is not reached there and goes beyond it, then we have that target up there. This is a short video. We're 4 minutes in. I was not planning to make this video, but I want to make it once I saw this forming. This is a perfect time to enter into a long. Okay, I hope you guys make some money. Have a great day. Take care, and hopefully videos in the next 8 months coming up. So last video for a while. Bye.